There's some really exciting news out there for Bitcoin aficionados as Bitcoin nears its all-time high valuation, whereby it has in fact broken the USD 1100 or 1100 barrier. And these are prices which have not yet been seen. So in many ways, it's a dizzying rise with the Bitcoin valuation, and that's something which a lot of folks out there, perhaps you listening out there, would actually be quite happy about if you manage to gather your own set of bitcoins, or you're into Bitcoin mining, etc. You'll be very happy to know that it has touched such staggering valuations, whereby your collection of bitcoins, whatever it is, would be worth quite a bit. And in that, you say that there are a number of factors to keep in mind, because if you're in this realm, you want to know that what is actually driving Bitcoin prices up. See, firstly, what we are seeing is that the US dollar is going on strengthening, and then if we look at global, financial markets and financial scenarios, there are a lot of fluctuations. There's a lot of volatility. What we're seeing is, for instance, if you look at India, there were recent developments where high value bills were in fact withdrawn. And likewise, if you look at China, there have been a lot of restrictions on buying foreign currency. So that these factors, especially when we look at these large countries, there has been quite an impact on the overall valuation of the Bitcoin. So therefore, the lesson, the takeaway from this would be that if you're not yet in this realm, then it's definitely the perhaps one of the best times to get into it. Remember that your Bitcoin, see, because the overall supply of Bitcoins in the market is limited. It's not like there's an unlimited, you know, constant supply of ever increasing fresh Bitcoins. That's not quite it. There's a limited supply. Supply is tight. Whenever that happens, values tend to go up. When there's more demand, less supply, that's basic economics, right? So therefore, and see, a lot of other assets, they may not carry that kind of security and that kind of overall valuation which Bitcoin does. So that's again a factor as far as Bitcoin values going up and the prospect of those same values going up further. So the takeaway would be that if you're not yet into it, get into it, and if you're into it, then you perhaps increase your uptake and try and mine more bitcoins, try and gather more bitcoins, and you will definitely profit in the medium to short term, and definitely in the long term. So that's something which we wanted to share in today's